Welcome back everyone to this exciting video that we will use MiniMax M2.7, which is a powerful model and recently that became open source, as I have made a video on that and you can watch that how to set up that. And recently that became open source, how to use this open source model in Claude Code for free. You don't need to credit card or subscription or anything else. You can use this powerful model for free. Okay, the Nvidia provide us the API key. Look at this is the Nvidia built at nvidia.com website, and here you can see MiniMax M2.7 free endpoint. For the free, they provide you the API key that you can use integrate with Cloud Code and others to use it for free. And this is 23 billion parameters. Okay, it is a very good model that we can use. So to integrate it with Cloud Code, it is a little bit tricky because Cloud Code is using Anthropic AI format, but the M2.7 this Nvidia, it is because we are getting API from Nvidia, so it is using OpenAI compatible. So the format is changed, so we should use a proxy for this to integrate with Cloud Code. So for that we need to install another desktop application that is a GUI based. There are other CLI methods also that you can use, but this is GUI and simple method that we can integrate Nvidia endpoint with Cloud Code easily. So that is Jan.ai. Let's open that Jan.ai. So open this website, just install it. So simply come here to the download for Windows or any other operating system. Sorry, it has started download. I have already downloaded that. So you can move and install it for Linux and other operating system also. Simply let's move to the download. This is the GitHub repository which has 41k stars. So after downloading it, simply install it. It is very simple. I have already installed that. Let's open this up and the interface will looks like this, something like this. You can use locally all models also. You can chat with them. You can select that here. Now, so to use it, for that we need the API key from this Nvidia website. So after creating your account inside Nvidia, I will log into my account. So login completed, you should create your account. For the endpoint for this API key to use for free, you need to verify your phone number also. So after verifying that, now let's create an API key. So to create API key, come here to your profile and come here to the API key. After coming to the API key, now you can generate your own API key here. I have generated one. You can see this is my API key. Generate one like by using this button. After generating that, copy that and store it somewhere. After storing that, now we will move to the Jan.ai. After that, come here to the setting, and after coming to the setting at the end, you can see these are the providers that you can use: Llama, OpenAI, Azure, Anthropic, OpenRouter. These are all providers which are available. We will move to the end Nvidia name to this one. After moving here you should paste your API key, copy your API key from here, then come here to the Jan.ai and paste that here. I have already pasted, and this is the base URL where you can find the base URL. By default it is written, but if you want to find it, for that come here to the models, to the Nvidia, to this MiniMax, click this MiniMax M2.7, and here you can chat with that directly, and come here to the view code, and here you will see this is the model name, and here you can see the base URL. This is base URL. If you want to generate your API key here, so simply press generate API key, so it will generate an API key here for you. So after setting up that, now come here back, and that's it. Okay, after storing that, you will see all these models are available. Then we will move to the Cloud Code integration. Look at integration with Cloud Code. Press Cloud Code. After pressing that, here you need to select which models you want to use: with large model Opus, with medium model Sonnet, with small model Echo. Which models? For small and large model, I am using ZAI GLM5, and for Sonnet MiniMax M2.7. So I can select which one I prefer. I will use that MiniMax M2.7 for this one also. So after setting these models, simply press the save and enable button. Look at it is starting server. So it will start server, then it will just change the environment variables for this. Environment variables updated. Please try relaunching Claude Code in a new terminal. If the server was not started, come here to the local API server and start server. Right now that is started because it here you can see stop server, but that is started already. Let's minimize it. After minimizing this, please once close your VS Code in terminal. Close that and open it back. Sometimes it is not working because it has just changed the environment variables. Come here, now we can write here Claude. So look at by default MiniMax M2.7 is selected. If we come here to the model, so let's for example select oppose the large model. For that we have selected ZAI. Selected, you can see now ZAI GLM5. But for other models we report that to the MiniMax M2.7 like Sonnet and Heiko. Select back to Sonnet. You look at MiniMax M2.7 has been selected. Now you can chat with this like simply I will just print hi. You can see we have the response. Sometimes it will take time because there is load on server for the free APIs. So this is good for students, for juniors who would like to set up and use it for free, and no paid subscription, no credit card required. You can just build your own projects using this MiniMax M2.7. I will build now a simple project for you also. Let's simply right here create a simple, or we can simply create a program. Okay, create HTML hello world program, a simple program. Okay, we don't need to build right now a big project. So it is asking me, do you want to create hello.html? Yes, we want to create that. Look at it, hello.html has been created. Let's click on this. You can see the hello.html program. This is our hello.html program. So it was it all about how to use MiniMax M2.7 for free inside VS Code. So if you had any problem or didn't know about the API key, so I have already made this video. Just move to my channel and watch this video to understand how to get the API key and how to use it for free. So I hope you learned something from this video. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.